Okay, so we have another money question here. Jeffrey had 4 times as many 20-cent coins as 10-cent coins, and a third as many 50-cent coins as 10-cent coins. If he had two 50-cent coins, how much money would he have left if he spent $2.75 on a pair of socks? Okay, so you always read the question first, and then you start to think about what the other things that you might have to watch out. We've done a few questions like this. And firstly, as I said, this is a money question. Now, don't worry again that it's in dollars. Dollars and cents work just the same as pounds and pence. There are 100 cents, okay, equal $1, okay, just like 100p, 100 pence equal £1. So it's the same sort of calculations. You're thinking in the same way. You can decide to put pound signs instead and think about pence if you prefer. Okay, so that aside, we have got two sorts of things going on here that you might need to think about. One, remember, you've got the number of coins here, not the value of the money. And that's very important for you to realize. And we've done questions like this before. So here we're talking about the number of coins, okay? And then it's only here that we start to talk about the value of those coins in money terms, all right? And you need to be able to think about flipping from one thing to another. So again, that's why you have to label things carefully and be very sure what it is that you are drawing and what you're thinking about. Okay, so let's draw the first part. Jeffrey had 4 times as many 20-cent coins as 10-cent coins, and a third as many 50-cent coins as 10-cent coins. Now, you can draw the bars in any order you wish. I think I'm actually going to start with the 50-cent coins because I think we've got the fewest of those, and I think that I can just build up from there. But it's totally up to you what makes sense to you. Okay, so I'm going to just say that's my 50-cent coins, and I'm going to give that that's like 1 unit. Okay. So, and why did I do that? It said there were a third as many 50-cent coins as 10-cent coins. So 50-cent coins were compared to 10. And it said that this was 1/3 of the amount that 10 had, or the amount of 10-cent coins there were, which means that there must be 3 of these. So if you can imagine, this is all the 10-cent coins split into 3 equal parts, thirds, and the 50-cent coins, the number of 50-cent coins represents 1/3 of the number of 10-cent coins. Okay, I am happy with that. All right, so just keep going back and checking, does it make sense? Right, so I've got this part. Okay, now I would like to do, Jeffrey had 4 times as many 20-cent coins as 10-cent coins. So we've got 20s. And if I think about this, so this is the number of 10-cent coins. Jeffrey had 4 times as many 20s as 10s. Okay, so I'm going to have to draw quite a few here. So it might make it easier for me if I do it like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I need to split them all up like this. Okay, because each of these is supposed to be identical to that. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 4 times as many as the 10s. I think I have captured that. I'm happy with that. Okay, so this is my model. Now, what are we told? If he had two 50-cent coins, okay, right, that is giving us a value. This is our 50-cent coins, and we're told that this represents 2. This represents the number of coins. There's 2 coins here. There's 2 coins here. There's 2, all of these parts, which are all equal, because that's how we drew it. They all represent 2 coins. So if he had 2 50-cent coins, it says, how much money would he have left? Okay, watch out, because this is going to be tricky, because we're probably going to have to do some subtraction or something. How much would he have left if he spent $2.75 on a pair of socks? Okay, so this is all his money. All right. We need to work this out. Now, remember, what does this mean? What does this 2? The 2 is 2 coins. Okay, so we need to work out the amount of money. We can't just count up all of the parts. You might be tempted to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and do 16 times 2 and think that you've got a money amount. That's just going to be the number of coins. We need to work out the amount of money. So what's 2 times 50 or 50 cents? Okay, and let's just keep it in cents. All right, so this would be 100 cents, 2 times 50. What is, this is 2, 4, 6. What's 6 times 10? Well, that is 60 cents. And here we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. We have 24 times 20. Okay, I'm just going to write that up here. 24 times 20 cents. Okay, and that is 480 cents. Oh, 480 cents. And that is all of his money. And we could then just add that up. Okay, so what's 100? And you would do this in, you could do this in a column addition. It's not what I'm trying to show you in this video, so I'm not going to spend time on that. So we've got 100 plus 60 plus 480, and that gives us a grand total of 640, what? It's 640 cents. Okay, of course this is equal to $6.40. All right, or if we were imagining this as pence, so if this was 640 pence, it would be £6.40. Let's keep it as that for the moment, because we're not finished. It says, how much money would he have left if he spent $2.75 on a pair of socks? Well, $2.75, we can either convert this to dollars and cents, or keep this as cents and make that into cents. It doesn't matter. But we're going to, in fact, what we will do is do 640 cents. We're going to just take away 275. Okay, and then once we've done that calculation, we are going to end up with 300 and, oh, I've lost my pencil. That's 365 cents. But we want to give our answer in dollars. This is how much he's going to have left. So the answer is $3.65. Okay, that's how much he would have left if he spent that money. So can you see how you had to really focus carefully on what this information meant, that this too meant 2 coins, and to work out the value, the money that was represented, you had to multiply by the value of those coins. And then it wasn't just enough to work out all the money that was there. You had to work out what was left if a certain amount of money was spent. So many steps and stages to the calculation, and you always have to keep track of where you are.